Illustrator refers to Adobe Illustrator, which is a vector graphics editor software developed and marketed by Adobe Inc. It is widely used by graphic designers, artists, and illustrators for creating and editing vector-based artwork. Here are some key features and capabilities of Adobe Illustrator. 1. Vector graphics editing. Illustrator is primarily focused on working with vector-based graphics. It allows you to create and edit scalable, resolution-independent artwork. This means that the graphics you create can be resized without losing quality. 2. Pen tool and shape tools. Illustrator provides powerful drawing tools such as the pen tool, which allows you to create and manipulate anchor points to create precise and complex shapes. It also offers shape tools for creating basic geometric shapes quickly. 3. Typography and text tools. Illustrator offers extensive typographic capabilities. You can work with a wide range of fonts, adjust kerning, tracking, and leading, and apply various text effects to enhance your designs. 4. Color management. The software provides robust color management tools, including color palettes, swatches, and the ability to create and save custom color schemes. You can apply gradients, transparencies, and blend modes to add depth and richness to your designs. 5. Layers and object management. Illustrator allows you to work with layers, which help you organize and manage different elements of your artwork. You can stack and rearrange objects, apply transformations, and control their visibility and stacking order. 6. Effects and filters. Illustrator offers a wide range of effects and filters that you can apply to your artwork. These include shadows, glows, blurs, and distortions, which can add visual interest and depth to your designs. 7. File compatibility. Illustrator supports various file formats, including industry-standard vector formats like Adobe Illustrator, EPS, Encapsulated PostScript, and SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. It also allows import and export of raster graphics formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. 8. Integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Illustrator seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as Photoshop, InDesign, and After Effects, allowing you to work with a variety of design tools and collaborate with other designers. Adobe Illustrator is known for its powerful and professional capabilities, making it a popular choice for graphic designers and illustrators. It offers a wide range of tools and features to create stunning vector-based artwork for print, web, and digital media. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.